In this video, we'll talk about fat burn mantra and how to eat like a celebrity and not get fat. Believe it or not, it's all about the mindset. If your body is a car, your mind is the engine. Your mindset drives your body, it fuels your will and determination to work towards your goal. It can be difficult to achieve and maintain your ideal body shape and weight. It takes more than just healthy eating and regular exercise. A positive and motivated mindset is essential to keep going. If you tell yourself negative things, this is so hard, I can't do this, you're not gonna make it far. But if you encourage yourself with thoughts like, I can do this, nothing can stop me, I'm gonna lose 5 pounds by the end of the week, you're motivated to achieve your diet goals. Mindsets are assumptions or beliefs that you establish to govern your behavior and choices. There are two types of mindsets, fixed and growth-oriented. People with a fixed mindset think of the absolutes and allow little to no room for possibilities. They're fixated to their definite opinion and would not budge from that framed mindset. When faced with a challenge, they tend to take the easy way out to avoid failure and embarrassment. This is a psychological principle known as self-handicapping. People with a growth mindset strongly believe in possibilities. They're open-minded, willing to adopt new ideas, and learn to improve. They take on challenges even at the risk of failing. They're open to embrace failure because they know they can learn from it. To successfully shed fat, first shed your negative thinking. Research shows that one of the many important factors that influences weight loss is your attitude, whether or not you believe you can do it and if it is worth doing. It's a simple theory. What you think will affect how you feel and in turn the actions you take. Similar to how conventional medications often treat symptoms of disease without addressing the cause, weight loss diets often address your weight without addressing what has led you to be overweight. Being overweight is not as simple as eating too much or moving too little. There's an underlying combination of subconscious conditioning, self-worth issues, emotional difficulties, and more. You might be able to lose a couple of pounds by solely changing your diet and doing exercises, but it won't last long, as symptom-specific diets will only be temporarily effective. Addressing the underlying psychological cause that led you to be overweight while applying a balanced diet and exercise will ensure you long-lasting weight loss. Follow these life-changing mantras that could help you eliminate any sort of destructive thoughts that sabotage your body weight. Others' opinions don't matter as long as I love my body. Eliminate the fear of others' opinions. When we despise how we look and how we feel, our bodies reflect and adopt these ideas. Due to the environmental conditioning, many people think they must be thin to really love themselves. It's all because of others' opinions. But loving yourself must come first for your weight loss efforts to be effective. Shed your fears. Learn to love your own body and each small change that occurs to it through your dieting effort. Slow and steady. Learn as you go. If you lose your fats too fast, it may not last. A little goes a long way. Focus on progress over perfection because no perfection comes along without long-term progression. Be patient and work with a well-planned diet for the long run. Your body takes time to adjust to all the changes. A diet done in the right way will ensure that your body will be accustomed to the changes and that the effects are definitely longer lasting.